What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is going to be a super short but hopefully informative video if you want to get a payout from Salad and how it works. I've been asked this multiple times. So you can go to salad.com. Mine defaulted to salad.com/download. You will need to log in and then go to the store. So we're going to go to the store, salad.com/store. You see right here, I have $114 of Salad balance or Salad credit. You can go down here, you can buy a bunch of stuff. What I'm interested in is a PayPal payout. Now, there is a way to get paid out with less fees, and that is by buying using the $100 PayPal payout. If you do a $5 payout, it costs $5.99. So you're paying 99 cents to get that $5. So, that's what, 20% right there. But as it goes up, your fee is less. So on $100, it is $110.50 to submit that. And that means you're paying $10.50 or right at 10.5% of what you're getting paid out. So all you do is just hit this PayPal button. If you don't already have your PayPal linked, you will need to go to the account section and link it. So you can just click on your name up top and go to, I think, profile. And then there's a section where you can link your PayPal inside there. I don't leave a reward selected, by the way. That way it doesn't yell at you once you end up hitting the balance and it keeps like notifying you. You can if you want to. But yeah, after you have PayPal pulled up, you just click buy now. Pay with Salad, available balance. Congratulations on your reward. Your item is on the way. Now all you got to do is just close this out. You see your balance went down, and then it's not instant. But if you want to check on your your rewards, you go to the reward vault. And if you look right here, this is my second time I've pulled $100 out, and I don't have a confirmation code because it's still pending. So I started off doing two $10. Then I figured out, yeah, we could just step it up. Well, I guess technically, is it the same amount of fees for a $10 versus $100? Yeah, I think it is. So is it the $5 one that just costs more? Let's see here. 1150 times 10. Oh, no. Okay, it is less fees. So that's 15%, not 10%. So to get a $10 payout, you got to pay $1.50. To get $100, it's 10.5. So 15% versus 10.5%. And then at $5.99, a dollar is what, 20% of $5. So that's like a 20% fee. So it does incentivize you to stay and wait and get paid out in a higher balance. Obviously, you can buy other things on the store. They do have MasterCards, and it's a little bit higher fees. So $100 MasterCard is $115. Oddly enough, a $5 MasterCard is $5.99. So the fee structure scales differently with those. $200 MasterCard, $229, so $29. Whereas, what is it? Is that a, let's see here. That's, man, my math is garbage right now. 30, let's see here. Break out the calculator. So 29 divided by 2, so that's 14.5% on a $200 payout. If you can, I suggest PayPal. Obviously, if you want to do other things like Discord Nitro or Amazon, you can do that as well. Amazon and all different currencies. But yeah, so that's how I do my payouts and get my stuff out of Salad. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, drop it down below. Otherwise, I'll see y'all on the next one. Adios. What else do they got in here? Valorant, gift card. Roblox, Minecraft. See, I think this is when they were definitely more tailored towards gamers for a long time, and I still think they do want gamers, but a lot of their better paying workloads and container jobs on Salad, your average gamer does not have a system that will run that. And then if you don't run it for the full amount of time, then you're cutting shooting yourself in the foot. You're losing a lot of revenue, and your average gamer typically games like every evening. So that means they would be losing those big jobs, and I don't know if that affects any kind of like back end reliability score or uptime score. I don't know how they judge all that, but hopefully I'll get some clarification on that soon. Um, anyway, yeah, okay, the video is really over. Later, guys. Peace.